Hello everyone, welcome to another SEMRush tutorial video. Today I will show you what is the authority score in SEMrush and how you can check for it. So first of all, you will need to have an account with SEMrush in order to check this completely. But you can get a free account with our link down below. You can get a 14-day free trial on SEMrush. So once you have an account, go to the projects, and in projects, make sure to create a new project and put your own website into that project. Now, as you can see, we already have one website here, so we can click on that particular website here. So let's click on the website. And as you can see, once we have this right here, we'll be able to scroll down and we'll be able to go to the authority score. So as you can see, here is the authority score. By the way, for those of you who don't know what authority score is basically a compound metric that grades the overall quality of a website or a web page. The higher the score, the more assumed weight a domains or web page outbound links to another site could have. Usually this is linked to the power of your website, or this is linked to your organic traffic. The better the score, the better you can rank in your organic traffic. Now, this is the best way how you can check for it. You can see here authority score. You can obviously click on it in order to see more, but as you can see, I will need to log in into my account, into my paid account in order to see all of these for absolutely free. But yeah, this is basically how you can check for it. It's a very simple way of checking the authority score. Obviously, you can go here and you can see also the authority score, what it is, and what it basically is and how you can use it to see and analyze your website. So if you have any questions, you can always comment down below. And obviously, if you want, you can get a 14-day free trial with SEMrush. But this is how you can check your SEMrush authority score on your website and on your competitor's website as well. Thank you guys for watching.